Cars are your passion. We understand maintaining their beauty is important. Sonex brings you a full complement of environmentally conscious products to help you distinguish yourself and keep your car looking its best. A key component to effectively cleaning your car is using the proper accessories for the job. Sonex Microfiber Ultrafine Cloths are professional-grade, soft and absorbent microfiber cloths. These multi-purpose cloths are perfect for paintwork care, effectively removing any residues from polishing and waxing without leaving any wipe-induced scratches. Sonex Microfiber Ultrafine Cloths are also a wonderful complement to the application and treatment of your car interior. The lint-free construction of the cloth allows the use of Sonex interior cleaners to be applied and wiped away without stubborn lint and no abrasive properties. The cloth seams are made in 3 colors to easily avoid using different products with the same cloth. The seams are constructed with silk and stitched with rounded corners to eliminate scratching. Go to SonexUSA.com and order Sonex Microfiber Cloths Ultrafine today. Sonex, premium German car care.